Been a while since I made a full-length video. We are at the Coves. We got a quartz install. It's getting full height backsplash in the kitchen, 4" everywhere else. It's also getting 4" at this coffee bar. So I think the master's back here. Master's here. Alright. It's right there. We've got a basement vanity down the stairs there to the right. I'm not gonna walk back down there. We got the hall vanity right here. And I think that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this piece of trim off so that we can slide our top in. I come in here because I was debating on whether I was gonna pull it off or just try to high-low it, but it's already got some issues with it. So it's not gonna make it any worse if we pop it off of there. Looks like it might be broken there. I'll see. But instead of pulling that off, I'm gonna try to catty corner this top and see if that works for us. So this one of these, and I'll just be honest, I'm not sure how these work, but it's pretty flimsy. So now we've got all the tops in. First thing you do when you bring in the kitchen sink run, any sink run for that matter, is make sure if you need any shims, you get the shims put in where you need them. Then after that, you can, start getting your edges all lined up and all that. AJ, why don't you? Alrighty. Master bath's done. Kitchen's done. I forgot to show you guys the process of me templating that full height. A lot going on today. Snowing outside pretty good. The backsplash is bookmarked. Basement, right in here.